What's going on, Pro Cutters? It's 4th of July weekend. I got the grill going. Right now I'm grilling up some corn and a red pepper because Mrs. Pro Cut is going to make a roasted red pepper and corn salad. So we've got this grilling up, and then I'm going to be making some grilled smoked buffalo wings with some Frank's RedHot. I put that shit on everything. Stick around. Alright guys, so to make your buffalo sauce, you gotta channel your inner Paula Deen and just get a little bit of butter, y'all. 1 stick of butter and a crap ton of Frank's RedHot or Crystal, Texas Pete, whatever hot sauce you like. Mix the two together about 1-to-1, and there's your buffalo sauce. And you put it in a saucepan so the butter can melt, and then you mix it all together, and that's what you're going to toss your wings in. Okay, and now that your pepper is blackened, you put it in a plastic bag, and the heat steams in there, and the skin is very easy to peel off. There you have it, 2 packs of wings on the grill, and I've closed down the vent at the bottom and at the top a little bit to cool my temperature down. You can see it's just below 300 Fahrenheit, but that's because I had it open. It's hotter in there, trust me. Pro tip, guys, wash your hands in between different steps as you're touching the raw chicken. If you care. If you don't care, don't. That's cool too. Alright guys, I just added some cherry wood so we get that smoke going in there. Gotta love a natural wood fire. Alright guys, so once the wings are nice and golden and smoked, then we're gonna go ahead and dip them all in our wing sauce that we made with the butter and the Frank's RedHot. Happy, happy, happy. Happy little wings going in that sauce. You'll notice on my wings I didn't muck about with any damn breading or anything like that. I like mine just original buffalo style. No bread, no frills, just good old hot sauce, and that's the way I like them. Now, normally I prefer them deep fried, but I currently do not have a fryer, and so we went with the grill and smoked them a little bit. So they should be good. We'll see. And Mrs. Pro Cuts also made a rhubarb crumble for dessert. Can't wait. Alright guys, so they're good. You can really taste the smoke. They're not as crispy as if they were deep fried though. So I gotta get a deep fryer, but they're damn good.